Hi everybody! Today I'm gonna show you a video presentation of our new hinge. Now it's set on a sharpener, and here its functionality. We can go up and down freely, to the left, to the right, but the only limitation is the vertical bar. What makes it so special? I'll give you a closer look. So, its rotation in this direction, the horizontal axis of rotation matches the hole in the hinge, and the vertical axis of rotation in the same way matches the hole in the hinge. They've got common intersection point. Why is it important? Now I'm gonna take another hinge. Here, it's the previous one. Here it is. It rotates in all directions. How is this different? I limited the rotation here, around this axis. When I use this hinge, it's pretty tight. So now it rotates not in this part of the hinge, but around the vertical axis. See? So I showed you the operation of this simple hinge. I printed a picture of apex-like sharpener. So it works the same way. It rotates around the vertical axis, and I kept the rotation around the horizontal axis. Now, what's wrong with this hinge? When I set the sharpening angle, like I need to sharpen a knife to this side, so look what's happening. This axis moves here, so it goes closer to the sharpener. Herewith, when I'll turn the sharpener, if the axis gets close to the sharpener, so like this bar moves here, thus the sharpening angle will be wider. So using this hinge, if we're moving to this side of the knife, then this sharpening angle increases. I put a plus here. In this place, the angle will be bigger than in the middle. And vice versa, if we're moving here, then the hinge here, the rotation axis goes back from the sharpener, and the angle diminishes accordingly. What happens when we're turning the knife? It's not clamped. Turning over the knife, we'll get the reverse situation. When we're moving the hinge to this side, the angle diminishes, and I put a minus. And when we're moving to this side, the angle here increases. And I repeat, this happens because the hinge rotates around the vertical bar, and its rotation center, accordingly, moves back and forth to the knife. So this operation is the same as in apex-like hinge. A lot of manufacturers use this simple hinge. Removing the knife. We've got the marks on both sides, where the angle increases and diminishes. So here we've got increasing angle, plus, and here diminishing, minus. Now let's flip it. What do we have? Here the angle is diminishing and here is increasing. So in the end of the knife sharpening, we'll have different edge. And that's not so effective. But our hinge, on the contrary, it rotates around vertical and horizontal axis. I'll put it on again. Lock it. Put it in the holder. So, how it functions here? Vertical rotation, axis, this one, and horizontal rotation axis both have the common intersection point. Furthermore, the movement direction of the holder and both axes, vertical and horizontal, all intersect in one point, which helps to keep rotation angle. So when I'm sharpening this side, the angle won't change, because the distance as relative to vertical bar isn't changing. And the angle is constant. That's why do not use this hinge for qualitative sharpening. Thanks for watching.